Hey guys, it's Monday and I am about to edit. I'm about to finish editing my vlog and put it up tonight. So this one is, that's a lovely face. This one's a little bit more just about like the haul and shopping and stuff. Look at all that. You guys have probably seen it though. So I'm about to finish editing that. I need to edit basically like the haul portion of this. Let's get off that. Yeah, that's a better picture. So that's what I'm doing. I'm about to do that. Look at that burrito. Ooh. And I am home. We're getting some Subway tonight because I still haven't gone grocery shopping. I really need to, and I need to use this notepad. You guys, it's so cute. But anyway, I'm about to do that. So I'm about to edit tonight. That's really all I'm gonna do. And yeah, I just wanted to start this vlog and say hello and let you guys know that this vlog will be a little bit more truly a weekly vlog. And I'm not turning the camera around because I'm too lazy to get up and the lighting is just terrible. Well, let's do it anyway. What the fuck? Hello? It's trying to adjust. Okay, so I worked a pretty long day today and I'm gonna get that video up. That's really my whole day, and tomorrow I have the same schedule. I did get one of my Jeffree Star mystery boxes, but I had already planned to put this video up and I was gonna do one video instead of two. I don't know, I might change my mind and like randomly put up another short video just of that unboxing, but I wanted to do two in one and just put them together so that you guys could watch both at the same time, because I broke up the Beautylish, but I only got one of them today, so I don't know. I may get a wild hair and be like, ooh, I just want to do this other video, but I feel like putting them together would probably be better. I kind of want to take a peek though. Let's look. So if you guys haven't seen my unboxing and you're watching this vlog and you want to see the unboxing, then skip to this timestamp. I'll put a timestamp right here on the screen and let you guys know what to skip to if you don't want to be seeing some spoilers. Okay, so I got a pop socket. I'm definitely going to give one of these away because I think I'm going to have multiple pop sockets. And I'm going to be honest, like red is just not my color. It's not my thing. I got a Skin Frost in the shade Deep Freeze. Ugh. I keep getting these crazy colors. Like, it's interesting and cool, don't get me wrong, but can't relate. I feel like I just got all these. I think these are the last collection. And Triggered. I'm gonna have to look and see what I got. I got the shade Watermelon Soda. Oh, that's another repeat. And then the shade Starfish. So I only paid $40 for this box, so it's a pretty good value. I feel like most of the stuff though I'm either gonna have or it's just gonna be like a weird color for me. You know, no offense. It's a mystery box. I know that going in, so I'm not gonna be, you know, pissy about what I get. I am gonna do a specific video showing this unboxing and, you know, I'll do swatches and stuff like that. So if you still wanna watch that, I'll link it below. So that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Tuesday night. Sorry, that's really loud. But I'm running a bath and I'm going to use this Freeman's Renewing Cucumber Peel Off Gel Mask. So I'm about to put that on. I'm going to use a Lush Butterball. I just got all that Lush, but I'm like, I'm going to use it like all my special ones all at once. So I'm going to use my Butterball, which is one of my like standard favorites. After I do the Peel Off Mask, I'm also going to use this Creme Shop Cafe Mocha one. I'm going to do both of those masks. I'll show you the Peel Off one in just a second. Okay, so the Freeman's is on. It literally is perfectly clear and it looks like I put like glue on my face, but it kind of looks cool now. But that's my mask. I'm about to finish drawing this bath. I'm gonna have some wine, a Lush bath, and just relax. And then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I just got back from the gym. It is Wednesday morning. You can see I'm all tomato face. Look at that. But I did about 55 minutes on the elliptical. I was kind of like pressed for time, so I should have gotten up earlier. But I'm just one of those people that like can't get up in the morning, and here lately, I just feel so tired every morning. So anyway, I went to the gym, so I got a pretty good workout in. It said I burned like 650 calories. I wasn't able to do any weight training today, just pressed for time, but tomorrow I'm gonna do that for sure and probably get in a little bit more cardio as well because I've missed several days at the gym. I really like this Paracone Super Berry Acai drink. These are little packets, so you can get these at Sephora. They are kind of pricey, but it's like an antioxidant drink mix. It tastes really good. It reminds me of like Fruit by the Foot or something. It's so dreary degree right now, so if it looks like super dark in here, it's just like, it's not raining, but it's just like gloomy outside. So that's what's going on. If you haven't already checked out, I've got a mystery unboxing of Jeffree Star up that's got a giveaway in it. I put that up last night, Tuesday night, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it says it's out for delivery. I'll be getting my other one, and I'll put the video up tonight. I was kind of hoping that maybe I would get it early enough to do it before I went to work, at least do the filming part of it, but I probably won't be here when it comes. I'll probably already be going to work, but I will film that tonight and put it up. It might be a little bit late. Definitely check it out. I feel like there's a good chance there's going to be stuff in the second box that I either won't use or I already have, so I'll probably be doing another giveaway. The odds of getting like all new stuff that I don't have are kind of slim, so we'll see. So that's what's going on. This is just rambly. So I'm going to drink that, cool off for a minute, and get ready for... Hey guys, so I am at TJ Maxx. It's so weird getting used to vlogging with my phone and talking into the actual camera. Also, I look prettier in my camera, so yeah. Anyway, so I'm at, guess where I am? This place right here. Hey guys, so this is a weird angle, but I'm using like this little vent mount. So let me tell you what an idiot I am. I'm literally, maybe the steering wheel can hide my double chin. So I'm such an idiot. I went to TJ Maxx. I literally had like 2 sips of my drink. This is a different one. And I dropped it and it went everywhere. I was so embarrassed. So I tried to like pick up all the ice while she was going to get like a mop or something. I felt so bad. And it's like all over my shoes. And then so I went to the restroom to like wash my hands. And by the time I came back, she was still cleaning it up. And I'm like, oh my God, I feel so horrible. And the whole like cosmetic section smelled like coffee. So I went back and I got a smaller one. And I should have gotten a discount on the first one. So I paid like $6 for the one I dropped. And I only paid like $2 for this one. So anyway, I'm at Target now. I got that really cute little cupcake set. And it's really cute for Valentine's Day, I feel like. So I want to get some like cupcake mix and maybe like pink icing. So I'm about to go in here. After I get done at Target, I am going to go home and wallow in my embarrassment. So stupid. Why did I do that? Hey guys, it's now Sunday night. I have a mask on. If I look weird, that's why. I have on the PTR. I think I have it right here. I have on the PTR cucumber gel mask. So I'm having a reaction to a vitamin C that I started using. And I think it's just maybe stronger than the other vitamin C's that I've used. So I'm getting like really red. I think you can see even through the mask. It's like right around my mouth specifically. And I'm peeling. So I'm doing this to kind of soothe. Because this one really helps. It's like refreshing, cooling, moisturizing. For irritated skin, so it's got a lot of good ingredients in it. But I want to do this and hopefully calm my skin down. Then I'm going to do a hydrating sheet mask afterwards, and I'm going to take a bath. But it's been kind of a crummy day, and I felt like vlogging a little bit with you guys would help. So I put up my Ipsy glam bag unbagging today, and it got like a little bit more traction than I thought it would, like 2,000 views already. And for me in one day, that's a pretty big deal. Yeah, it did more than I thought it was. So I filmed that video kind of like on a whim, and I was actually like, I don't know if I should do it. I feel like it's not going to do much, but hey, there you go, it did. So I was like kind of checking in throughout the day. I was like, wow, this is great. I was trying to read some comments and respond to you guys when I had a few minutes here and there. I was working, so on my break and my lunch, and I did that. But I started noticing I was getting a lot of thumbs down and a couple negative comments, nothing like crazy. But like I was getting so many thumbs down, and I put a question on there to ask, like genuinely out of curiosity and learning and, you know, feedback and growth, whatever you want to call it. I just asked like for some feedback as to like why people didn't like it, like what could I do to improve. And it was a video where I was kind of like, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it. You've probably seen it. I didn't really like a lot of the things in the bag, but I still finished the video, which maybe that's the problem, people don't watch till the end. I finished saying that it was a good value, that it was still a good bag, even though I didn't like a couple of things in it too much. Like, it wasn't bashing, but like if I feel something is you know, not that high of quality, I'm gonna tell you guys, because I don't want you to run out and spend your money on something that I don't think is good. And I value that so much. So I love watching like Tati, for instance, because I feel like she's unapologetically just like honest about things. And you know, she catches some flack for it here and there, but I felt like, wow, like there's so many people that gave this video a thumbs down that clearly didn't like it. Like, I want to know why. And so I guess some people felt like it was a little bit negative, but I want you guys to know, even if it's just the people watching my vlogs to know, because you guys I feel are closest to my heart. Like, I love everybody who comments and likes and watches. Like, you guys mean the world to me, but especially you guys watching my vlogs who are kind of in tune with like real life me. You guys are really important to me, so I want you to know, if I don't like something and you like it, that is so fine. It's so cool. And if you don't like something that I like, that's so cool. Like, either way that it goes, it's not a big deal. And that's kind of what makes the beauty community great, is that everybody's different. Like, if we all ran around wearing the same makeup and had the same opinions about the same things, how boring. Like, how boring would that be? So I don't ever want you to feel like I'm like bashing you if I don't like a product that you like. Just to make sure that that's clear, I want to be like 100% honest with you. So if you're watching this, like, if I'm negative about something, it's just to be upfront with you. And I don't feel like I bashed. I mean, I had some critiques, but when all is said and done, it was still great value for 10 bucks. I'm still gonna stick with it. I'm still gonna do a video the next time I get it. But it kind of like, I don't know, it kind of rattled me personally, because usually the videos where I get, you know, negativity, I say negativity because I don't get that much like horrible hate things. Like, I don't get that much. It's not that big of a deal, but I get a lot of thumbs down when I'm being more genuinely myself, and that's kind of disconcerting. It makes you feel like, wow, I can't be myself. But when I'm kind of like off the cuff and I'm just like saying what I think and not worrying too much about it, that's when I get more negativity. And I know I probably shouldn't pay any attention to it. But I'm very much like, oh, I want you to like me, you know, please like me, which is silly. And it's funny too, because if I get like negative comments, they're like, oh, you're ugly, or your voice is stupid, or something like that. That to me makes me laugh. Like, that doesn't bother me at all. But it's when it's like a ton of individual people thinking that it's not good or not liking it for certain reasons, like, starts to like get in my head. But I just want you guys to know, I'm always going to try to be honest with you. That's more important to me than being super positive and getting brands to like you. Because at the end of the day, some YouTubers will say that they like something so that the brands will, you know, continue to send them stuff or sponsor them or do something. And granted, this video will probably not get any brands to reach out to me and say that they want to send me stuff, but I was honest with you guys, and that means a lot more to me. So that's what I want to say. I don't know, but please don't ever feel bad if I say I don't like something that you love. Please don't feel bad, because that's just my opinion, and I could be wrong. I could unbox that and say, oh, I don't think that looks that great, and it could turn out to be one of my favorite products down the road. It's a split-second little like unboxing. It's not my deep thoughts. And yeah, I'm probably not going to fall in love with every product in that bag. So the point is to try stuff. So that's what I'm here for. Hopefully to let you guys know what I think of the products and if it's worth your money. And you know, one of the commenters who was very constructive in her criticism said that people come to these videos to just get excited and I'm here bashing it. And I'm like, no, some people come for an honest review and they really want to know, is it good? Is it not? And I'm here to answer that question, hopefully, at least some of the time. So this is a lot of rambling. I may cut some of this out, I don't know. But thank you guys so much for being supportive. I see you guys commenting. I'm doing better on commenting more back. I'm trying to get to like comment everybody, but you guys know, if you work full time, you just come home and you're like, I'm so tired. So But I am trying to get better at that. So I just wanted to say that. And so I said so many times. But yeah, I love you guys. And I just want to make sure that if I can avoid it, that you guys don't take things the wrong way. You know, if I can be a little bit clearer. And it was just kind of a crappy day too, like crappy day at work. I come home and I got like all emotional, and I just want to talk to you guys, and that makes me feel better. I'm gonna go take a bath and have some wine and relax, and I worked 5 more days straight before I have a day off. I got like a 7-day little stretch going, so that's what I'm about to do. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful, amazing day, night, week, month, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Man, I cannot wake up today. It's Monday morning and I literally like snoozed so many alarms. So my plan was to get up and get ready to go work out, and then I was going to run by UPS. Run by UPS and then go work out and then come back. But if I do that, then I don't have any time to get started on the vlog. So I think what I'm gonna do instead is just get my package ready and then import the footage, start editing, and then take the package with me and just do it on my way out. So just leave a little time to do that, because right now, see, I have to leave in 3 hours. Anyway, I'm having a bit of coffee and Sniffle's just laying on the couch with me. Hey, Snippies. So I've got my package to send out to my giveaway winner. This is from the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And I'll probably do another one soon because I'm getting closer and closer to 11. Sweet girl. So that's pretty much it. It's just work at this point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a little bit more of like a normal vlog style video instead of like TJ Maxx. So I hope you guys are into it. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.